Hey guys, I just ordered and received this 3-pack of pruning shears here. I use these types of things all the time. They do get dull and you need to replace them every once in a while. So that's why I got these new ones. So I figured I'd open them up and show them to you. So again, 3-pack. These ones are all orange. I'll set down 2 of them and just open up one for you. See, they just kind of come in this blister pack deal with the sleeve. Oops. And then just to show you these shears themselves up close, I'm dropping everything. So these have really strong springs on them. Actually, that's why they popped open when I pulled that lock down. These strings or the spring on here is much stronger than the other ones I've had before, which is actually a good thing because it means that it will stay good longer. Sometimes the springs they of course wear out, and then you don't get that kind of automatic action there. So that's cool. Again, stainless steel. They have a nice handle, nice grip on them. So I mean, they feel very good compared to other ones that I've used. I mean, I've had some really bad ones, had some really good ones, and I'd say at the price point, these are definitely worth it.